Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to order a physical cash app card that also works as a virtual card. Let's get started. First, open the cash app on your phone and log into your account. Next, tap the card icon at the bottom left corner. Next, see the Meet the Cash App card page with details about customize your card and savings instantly. Now tap Get Free Card. Choose your preferred card style. You will see the cost for each style underestimate. If you want a plain card, if you would like either black or white for free. You can also personalize your card if you would like, then tap Order Card. Either your shipping address, enter your shipping address so Cash App can send your physical card to you. Once your card is placed, your Cash App card will also be available virtually inside the apps. You can add your virtual Cash App card to any digital wallet such as Apple Wallet or Google Pay for immediate use while you wait for the physical card to arrive. You have successfully ordered a Cash App card that works both physically and virtually, and that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next